Hello friends, my name is Chara Hasni. I am from second year MSc Biochemistry. My topic is about prothrombin time and prothrombin index. Let's see what is prothrombin. Prothrombin is a glycoprotein produced by the liver. Its molecular weight is 71,600 daltons, consists of single polypeptide chain. Prothrombin, also known as factor 2, is just one of many plasma proteins involved in the clotting process. Uses of prothrombin. Prothrombin helps in the clotting mechanism. It is a marker of liver function. Vitamin K is required by the liver for normal activation of prothrombin as well as other blood clotting factors. Role of prothrombin in clotting mechanism. The first stage is an aggregation of platelets to plug the damaged blood vessel. The second stage is by activation of clotting factor. The first phase of the activation of the intrinsic pathway. At the same time, the extrinsic pathway is also activated. Now, by common pathway, factor 10 is activated by the protease formed by intrinsic and extrinsic pathway. The fourth phase is the conversion of prothrombin to thrombin in the presence of factor 10, 5, phospholipids and calcium. That thrombin converts fibrinogen to fibrin. Fibrin, which in combination with platelets from the blood forms a clot. That clot formation process called as coagulation pathway. This is the mechanism of blood clotting. This is extrinsic and intrinsic pathway. So both combine together by common pathway. At last we get a clot. So fibrin polymer to form a clot to seal the blood vessel. This is how when the blood vessel is injured, so keeps on bleeding. To stop the bleeding, we need all the blood clotting factor to seal the injured blood vessel. Prothrombin time. Prothrombin time is a test which measures the amount of time required for clotting to take place in citrated plasma, to which optimum amount of thromboplastin and calcium ion was added to form clot. Half-life of prothrombin is 6 hours. Clinical significance. Prothrombin time is prolonged only when liver loses its 80% reserve capacity. PT is prolonged in severe parenchymal liver disease due to decreased synthesis of prothrombin. It is a sensitive indicator of acute and chronic liver disease. Why prothrombin time is determined? It is one of the liver function tests, screening test for coagulation, find the cause for abnormal bleeding or bruising, check the effects of warfarin, the company name Coumadin, etc. It is used to stop the bleeding. You will have the test regularly to make sure you are taking the right dose. Check for low levels of blood clotting factors. The lack of some clotting factors can cause bleeding disorder such as hemophilia, which is passed in families like inherited. Check for low levels of vitamin K. Vitamin K is needed for synthesis of prothrombin and other clotting factors. Check if it is safe to do procedure or surgery that might cause bleeding. Methodology. So how to determine the prothrombin? Let's see what's the method. Sample of the patient's blood is obtained by venipuncture. The blood is calcified by collecting it into a tube with oxalate or citrate ions to prevent the clotting process from starting before the test. The blood cells are separated from the liquid part of the blood by plasma by centrifugation. Prothrombin time is done by various methods such as quick one-stage method, electromechanical and optical method. This is how the prothrombin time is determined. So to which thromboplastin calcium added until the blood forms clot, that time is called prothrombin time. Procedure. Prothrombin time test is performed by adding thromboplastin to patient's plasma that converts clotting factor present in blood, prothrombin to thrombin. The mixture is then kept in a warm water bath at 37 degrees Celsius for 1 to 2 minutes. Calcium chloride is added, then coagulation takes place and allow clotting to start. The test is timed from the addition of the calcium until the plasma clots. This time is called prothrombin time. The prothrombin time test specifically evaluates the presence of factors such as 7, 5, 10 prothrombin and fibrinogen. Normal range of prothrombin time is 10 to 16 seconds. Approximate value is 14 seconds. Clinical significance of increased prothrombin time, because due to deficiency of factor 2, 5, 7 and 10, because of liver disease like cirrhosis or hepatic failure, hemophilia like a bleeding disorder, oral anticoagulant therapy, chronic diarrhea, high risk of internal bleeding from upper part of gastrointestinal tract. Due to vitamin K deficiency occurs in biliary obstruction as low intestinal concentration of bile salt results in poor absorption of vitamin K. Parenchymatous liver disease depends on degree of liver cell damage. Plasma prothrombin time ranges from 22 to 150 seconds. Obstructive jaundice due to absence of bile salts. There may be a defective absorption of vitamin K. Hence, the PT is increased as PT formation suffers. So, why the blood is clotting too slowly? Because of blood thinning medications, liver problems, inadequate levels of protein that cause blood to clot, vitamin K deficiency, other substances in your blood that hinder the work of clotting factors. Blood clotting too fast. Supplement that contain vitamin K. High intake of foods that contain vitamin K such as liver, broccoli, chickpeas, green tea, kale, turnip greens and products that contain soybeans. Then due to estrogen containing medications such as birth control pills and hormone replacement therapy. PT INR ratio. PT test also called as INR ratio. It allows PT results to be compared in different labs and across the world. INR, International Normalized Ratio, stands for a way of standardizing the results of prothrombin time test no matter the testing method. INR for 1 means that the patient is normal. INR greater than 1, which means clotting time is elevated. INR greater than 5 or 5.5 is due to unacceptable high risk of bleeding. Normal range for a healthy person is 0.9 to 1.3, and for people who is taking warfarin drug therapy, INR ranges from 2 to 3. Prothrombin index. Prothrombin activity is also sometimes expressed as prothrombin index in percentage, which is the ratio of prothrombin time of the normal control to the patient's prothrombin time multiplied by 100. So this is the formula for prothrombin index. So PT of normal control divided by PT of patient, which is multiplied by 100. Normal prothrombin index is 70 to 100%. The critical level below which bleeding may occur is not fixed one, but there is always a possibility of this occurring if prothrombin index is below 60%. This is the comparison of prothrombin time between hepatic and obstructive jaundice. In the both jaundice, liver cells is damaged. In hepatic, it's due to lack of synthesis of prothrombin factors. 7, 9, 10 is due to hepatic damage. But in obstructive, lack of synthesis of prothrombin due to unavailability of vitamin K. In hepatic, that prolonged prothrombin can be reversed by vitamin K administration, but in obstructive, it cannot be reversed by vitamin K supplementation. So this is the main difference between both the jaundice. At last we see treatment for elevated prothrombin time level. Dose omission in case of warfarin therapy. Oral phytomenadone, it's a vitamin K supplementation. Intravenous phytomenadone, also known as vitamin K medicines. Fresh frozen plasma, prothrombin complex concentrates. So this contain all blood clotting factors. So because when the person does not have enough blood clotting factors to this prothrombin complex concentrates gives the clotting factors to synthesize the normal clotting intakes of vitamin K. So this image is the PT prothrombin mission. So to this the slide, this drop of patient blood is dropped, then inserted in this mission. So immediately the prothrombin time and the INR range is shown. Thank you for listening, friends.